Good evening, everybody. We meet today in another lesson plan. It's a lesson plan which you have asked me to present it for you. It's the lesson of counterfeiting. It's about the section read and consider the text about counterfeiting, which is in the course book. It's a nice text. I personally use it. You can use another text or just prepare some activities for that text, which is the thing I did. Well, as usual, that's my lesson plan. Well, it's a read and consider rubric. So sorry, here it's reading and writing. Now it's read and consider. Well, the aim of the lesson is to read and interpret a written passage, and here we will exploit the lesson later for the grammar lessons. In the pre-reading stage, the rationale is to activate pupils' prior knowledge and to introduce the topic, to inject new vocabulary words related to the topic. In here, learners will be able to acquire different keywords, new vocabulary related to the text, which will be exploited to interpret the text. Here, the teacher's tasks. The teacher invites learners to look at different pictures displayed on the board and asks different questions. Here, the teacher also asks learners questions. Engages learners in a conversation through different questions. There is a mistake here. Okay, here I will show this picture to learners, which is that one, where you can see two jackets. One is real and one is fake. You can use any other product provided that you present two copies. One is original and the other is fake, so that you could explain the meaning of counterfeiting to your learners. Here I ask learners how many jackets are there. They will answer, of course, 2. Are they the same? No, they aren't. What's the difference between them? Learners will state some differences, or differences. So in quality, color, price, they will deduce that one of them must be a copy of the other. Which unethical issue we are dealing with here? Some learners will guess that it's counterfeiting. They may also say it in their mother tongue, in their mother language. And you could provide the word or say the word counterfeiting and explain it to them. The tasks which I did for that text, we move to the during reading stage. The teacher sets different activities and asks learners to read the text silently, then do the first activity. Here, learners are asked to read and scan the text for details and get a deep understanding of the text. The task is read the text and answer the following questions. Question number 1, pick out from the first paragraph the synonyms of counterfeited. Learners will read the text and read the first paragraph and pick out the synonyms of counterfeited. Here they will find forged, imitated, copied, fake. All these synonyms are in paragraph number 1. The second question, which products are being copied? Here the different products that are being copied are currency, medicines, drugs, toys, clothes, mobiles, food, cars, drinks, etc. In task number 3, fill in the chart with information from the text. Here I have drawn this table. We have got price and quality here. here we have got original products, fake products. We are going to compare between original products and fake products in terms of price and quality. Learners can find some of these in their texts. Very expensive. The original products are very expensive, while fake products are cheap or low price products. Quality, high, good, healthy, very famous brand, lasts long, safe, well designed, harmless, whereas the fake products are bad, unhealthy, unknown origin, don't last long, dangerous, bad design, harmful. In task number 4, what are the question number 4, what are the consequences of counterfeiting in the European Union? The consequences of counterfeiting are loss of jobs, loss of revenue, and loss of profitability. Question number 5, which pieces of advice does the author give to big companies? The writer advised big companies to reduce the prices of their products. Now, the post-reading here will be the grammar lessons. So we are exploiting that text for presenting grammar lessons for that unit, for that sequence, so this is the lesson plan. I hope you will benefit from it. Wish you good luck and goodbye.